Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can make your Windows laptop or PC work faster. See, currently this is on the Windows 11 laptop and the steps which I'm going to show you will work on Windows 10 or Windows 11. The first thing we need to do in order to speed up your laptop computer is right click on the menu bar. Okay, you'll see as soon as you right click on this menu bar, you need to click on the task manager. Just maximize this is where it will show you the exact stats which program is using the most of the CPU, the most of the memory, and these are all the applications which are currently running on your computer. Chrome, OBS Studio, which I am recording the video right now, right? Notepad, Audacity, VLC media player, and etc. See here, for me, phone link Google Chrome is taking up the highest CPU and memory. See here, Chrome, it is almost taking a lot of memory here. What can I do? You can delete some unwanted tabs and make sure you use very minimal tabs so that it will use less CPU and less memory. Along with this, after you have taken all the necessary steps here, if you don't want any of the app here, you can just right click on it and you can click on end task, or you can directly close it here. Say for example, you can directly close the application if you are not using that. The second most important thing is there is startup apps here. Whenever you boot up your laptop for the first time, these services will automatically start. That's the reason the phone link is enabled. See here, what I do is I'll disable this. As soon as I disable this, if I check the task manager or for the next boot up, this won't take up that much memory and that much CPU on the startup apps. Likewise, this battery percentage icon also not much needed with the boot up of the laptop. That's why whichever I feel which are not required necessarily, I'll be disabling all of those. Okay, whenever you want, you can just re-enable them. Okay, just you can right click again and you can enable if you want. Okay, so yeah, and here also it is showing like startup impact is high. So whenever I disable this, from next time onwards your laptop will work smoothly. Okay, I'll be closing this. Likewise, the services also, if you feel there is any service which is taking up a lot of computer space, you can go to that particular service, right click on it and you can click on stop. Okay, this is advanced anyway, leave it like this services thing. The next step you can do is make sure your C drive is empty or should have enough space. See here, this is in blue indication, right? If it shows in red indication, whatever you do, your laptop will work slow. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to the download folders or recycle bin and clear up the space. Just delete all the unwanted files so that your C drive will become empty or free, so that your laptop will work faster. For that, what you can do is click on this Windows logo, click on the settings, then click on the system, then click on the storage. It will ask you the permission, click on the permission and see here, enable this option storage sense. What it will do is instead of you manually deleting all the junk on your laptop, this will only delete all the junk on your laptop. See, say for example, these temporary files or whatever it may be, this will clean up all your unwanted or junk files, so that time to time your laptop will work smoother. The next thing you can do is click on this installed apps. Okay, these are all the apps which are installed on your computer. So whatever is not needed, just uninstall them. Say for example, I don't want this, click on these three dots, click on uninstall. Take an action, audit every app, whichever is not needed, just uninstall those from your computer. So even though in the background if they are working, you'll get free CPU and free memory from them. Okay, I am closing this step. The next step is click on this Windows logo, then click on the settings, then again click on system, then this time power and battery, and click on power mode and keep them to best performance. Okay, best performance. And one more thing, click on this battery usage. Yeah, once you click on this battery usage, you will see which app is using most of your battery. If you audit this, you will get to know which application is using most of your CPU or most of your RAM, because if a particular app is using most of the battery, there may be chances that particular app is using most of the CPU and most of the RAM. So what you can do is, if you find out like there is any app which is using the background service, click on these three dots and click on manage background activity. If you feel that is not important, means that app is not important to run in the background, you can click on never, so you can update that so that it won't be running in the background. Okay, only when you open that application only it will run. In this way you can limit the background usage so that your system will work faster. The last thing is same, click on this Windows and then click on the settings and check for the Windows update, and just if there is update, just update it so that if there are any issues with your laptop or the OS, that will be cleared, and restart your laptop will work faster. So by doing all these things, your laptop will work faster, and I hope so. And if you feel this is informative, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.